You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video, we are going to get into the zone with this wireless gaming zone game system. But I've seen my share of shitty products with a lot of NES games, and it seems to be there are no NES games today. We're going to get boxing, tennis, golf, fishing, table tennis, bowling, and football. Yeah, that's the only thing that we're going to get today. Of course, the system itself and two controls. But let's do a quick unboxing. By the way, this box is very light. Did they send me nothing or what? Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing. It's going to be a very quick one because there is not a lot inside. It's going to be old school AV out. Oh boy, they're still doing it. Two freaking controllers. Oh, we're still going to get an AB button, so I'm curious if there's only 7 games in this thing. Select start. Here you can see like the sensors for the movement controls. Curious how this is going to be working. And here I have the system itself, the zone. On and off, resets, input for the power supply. It seems to be that we're going to need a 9-volt power supply and the video audio out. Hey, it seems to be we can also use some batteries. So let's take a close look at it. Oh boy, I think we need to use batteries because there is no freaking 9-volt power supply with this. And of course the second controller. Woo! Let's get into the zone. Oh, today is my lucky day because I have all the batteries that I'm going to need and there is no corrosion. Because the problem I'm having with these second-hand products is when I'm buying them, always they come like used and completely with some issues. Especially when it comes to corrosion of the batteries. Oh, messing it up, having a brain fart. Oh man, these things getting in are really annoying. Okay, let's close it. Let's close the lid. Alright, so they can't pop out anymore. And yeah, let's screw this screw back in. Oh, that's not needed. Okay. Ready to go. There is no indication for the LED. Oh man, that is really annoying. So I don't know for sure it's going to be working. Let's plug it in the television. Ah, by the way, I can see like the LEDs on the top are going to be flickering. So, okay, the system is powered on. Okay, so let's grab ourselves the cable. See, we put it back in the bag. He put it back in the bag. Wow. Let's plug in this bad boy and let's have some fun into the Wii Zone. Oh boy, they are making so many of these freaking clone systems back in the day. And still, by the way, they're still selling those things. Oh man, flimsy cables, flimsy cables. Okay, so let's take a close look at the menu itself. Oh yeah. Wow, it's a freaking miracle. It seems to be working. It's alive. It's alive. But my controller isn't because we're going to need 3 freaking AAA batteries. Oh boy. Alright, so the controls seem to be working with the disco LED. The weird thing that we can't use the D-pad in the menu. We need to choose the select button, giving us the option. Okay, so let's try the first game, boxing. Oh yeah, I dig the soundtrack. Still no way of selecting or what? See, that's the weird thing. Oh. What? Choose your power? Choose your power? What the hell? Choose your power! Okay. Yeah, and how does this work? See, the sensing. Okay, I just got knocked out. Alright. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Okay, so let's try virtual tennis. I do like these weird little 60-32-bit soundtracks. No D-pad selection or whatever. What the hell? Alright, let's go. Oh yeah! seems to be working. Oh, fuck. Oh, crap. I must say that it seems to be working just fine. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. Whatever. Can I press the button? We can just press the button. That is freaking lame. Okay, this is going to be an interesting one. Golf time. Master Golf. Hold one. Good luck. I have no idea why we're going to get a D-pad and A, B button. It seems to be not working. No movement? Seriously? Like, I need to press select for... Oh, that is lame. How can I choose? Oh! The sensing work only for the last part. Getting closer. Hold one. Yes, I know. It's the whole one. Fish master, or fishing master. Oh, we can use the freaking D-pad now. Let me guess. Why doesn't that work? Okay. So this has nothing to do with the movement? Oh yeah. If you wiggle around, then it will go up. Alright. Okay, let's catch a fish. Woo! Baby! Yeah. Getting good at this. Oh fuck! Ah shit! Okay guys, so this is what you're going to get with the Zone Wireless Gaming. I can say that I wasn't getting into the zone with it at all. I did like the music with the boxing game, if I recall it correctly, but it's such a weird system. Most of them came with, let's say, 8-bit or 60-bit homebrew stuff, but this one didn't came with anything than only the 7 games that were built in. Yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Let me know what do you think of this. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, give this video a like, and I will see you in the next video.